welcome to the world of Joan Short Alice, Life Prepper. This here is called a violet leaf plant. You can see here the star-shaped fruit. This plant was brought over here in the around 1750 for the purpose of this here. They was going to use this to make a thread with and rope and things of that nature. But the problem is they really didn't have the technology to do it. The Chinese was the one who originally was going to use this, and then over the centuries it kind of got thrown towards the bottom pole. It is a invasive species. It can produce up to 1,700 seeds a year. The seeds have like 15 to 30% oil in them. You can see here is the little yellow flower. The flower is edible. The leaves are edible. The seeds is a young like this. The star-shaped pods has about between 15 to 30 in them, and they are edible. But, you know, if you get the more mature ones, you do need to kind of blanch them or roast them out to get maybe some of the bitterness out. But you can harvest the seeds and grind them and put them up. You can grind them up for oil if you want to, or you can also grind it up for flour. So, another species that was brought over from another country in the 1700s. It started growing wild. It can overtake things. It has been proven to overtake soybean areas and other areas, and actually cause the farmers to lose about 35% of their crop. You can see here just how tall it is. It's a huge plant. I've got, you know, a couple of them here, and I got a couple small ones. So, you know, I want to let them produce their seeds, and then next year I'll have more seeds, and I can harvest the seeds next year, and I can put them up and save them and use them as food. They say the young seeds taste kind of like sunflower seeds. So I will save this, and I will let them grow, and I will have to watch it because they will start spreading everywhere if I'm not careful. So this here is going to be like my fallback plants. If I choose, it's really a beautiful plant. I actually enjoy it because it's right next here to my sunflower seeds that I've planted here. And you can see here my sunflower plants are already starting to produce their flowers and everything. So another plant that a lot of people don't realize is the violet leaf, V-E-L-V-E-T. I'm terrible about pronunciations. You see here is, again, the star fruit. When they're young like this, you can eat the seeds. They're like sunflowers, but if they're mature, you really do need to blanch them out and roast them to get rid of the other taste. You can also, like I say, harvest them and dry the seeds, and you can grind the seeds up and make oil with it, as well as you can grind them up and make flour with it. Again, the leaves are also edible, and they're very soft, and you can eat the flowers, and the stalk, you can use it for making rope or making screen or whatever it is that was needed. But then again, this here wound up falling to the sideway because they found other plants they thought was more beneficial, and just really kind of forgot about it over the centuries. And now it's just basically a plant that either gets put into the gardens or it just kind of grows wild. So, from Life Prepper here, World of Joan, be safe, be happy, bless you all.